Official books of various countries. Any official report of British government. Blue Book. Official publication of Italy and Iran. Green Book. Official reports of the Japanese and Belgian governments. Grey Book. Official publication of Germany, China, and Portugal. White Book. Official publication of Netherlands. Orange Book. Official book of the French. Yellow Book. Short pamphlet giving authoritative account of facts issued by the Indian government stating its view on a particular issue for the knowledge of general public. White paper. Thank you.